Howdy, howdy. I'm in Joshua Tree and we're on Lost Horse Trail. Lost Horse. What is it? Lost Horse Mine? Lost Horse Mine Trail. We did about a mile. And are you filming me? Oh. And now we're heading back to get to our camp so we could set up camp, start dinner. My mom had to tap out early, so we didn't want to leave her there too long. But Dad seems to be doing pretty well. He can keep up very well. And now we're just heading back. Hey guys, I'm going to bed. We spent a day in Joshua Tree, hiking, and at Lost Horse Mine. And now I'm tired and I'm going to bed. I'm digging my new setup. And yeah, got my vape, my bed, my pillow. It's about 45 degrees right now and I'm cozy as a cucumber. My mom's sleeping in the car. There's an inflatable mattress in the car. And then my dad is in my old tent right behind me. He's my neighbor. And it was really cute watching him set up. He did it perfectly. Anyways, good night. Guys, look how ridiculous I look. We overpacked so we could do a perfect shakedown to see what we actually need. As you could tell, I am overstuffed to the rim. We also took a regular stove to cook pancakes, so that's also in the red bag. And we are just starting our trail at Lost Palms Oasis in Joshua Tree. It's gonna be about 3 miles uphill until we find a campsite. Hey guys, so we just stopped for lunch. Here's my little makeshift. I got my umbrella stuck to my backpack right there to give me a little bit of shade from the sun. Got my Gatorade and a rock to rest on. Just finished cheese and crackers, and my dad had salami. And he's over here on his stool that he's bringing. The stool comes out to 1 pound and maybe 1 or 2 ounces. Got off Amazon, and he seems to be digging it. And we're about to set off, probably do another 1.5 miles. Hey guys, we're running out of daylight. What do we have? 2 miles? 2 miles left. Hopefully. Oh, did you break something? Hey there, so we pitched our tents and made camp, this random spot on a trail. Let me show you how the tents look. So we got my tent right there, and then dining area, and then we got Dad's tent over there, along with his seating area. And we're about to make dinner and then maybe watch a show or two and then go to bed. It's dropping pretty rapidly. I'd say it's like 55 right now, and it's supposed to get down to like 45, 43, around that. And we're at like 3,000 elevation. And the sun's just setting right behind me, right there, see it? And I don't see any more day hikers cruising on through, so I think we're all by ourselves out here. Oh, and I forgot to show you guys, these are my Skinners. They're like half boating shoe fabric, half rubber. And they're only 5 ounces for the pair, 5.5 ounces. And they're working out great so far. Guys, my back hurts like fucking hell, and I had to pee so many times last night that my dad said he couldn't sleep because he kept hearing crinkle crinkle. All in all, awesome night, dude.